Hello and welcome back to the channel. Rachel here, and today is Foodie Friyay vibes. And before we jump right into the recipe, I just want to say thank you for those who have been here for quite some time. I truly appreciate you. Truly appreciate your comments, kindness, encouragement. And for those who are new to the channel, to the community, welcome. And I am all about empowerment for the mind, body, and spirit. So today we are in the kitchen creating a tasty treat, no oven required, a handful of real food ingredients, tasty and nutritious. So let's jump into it. So around this time of the year, the spring, the summer months, or even the fall, I enjoy making these super no-bake bites. And what is best about these is that it is versatile, tasty, nutritious, great for on the go, great for anytime or anywhere, and they are just lovely. I'm going to try one right now. Mm-hmm. Mm. And just a great staple to have in your refrigerator. It's no bake, so if you like it firm, you keep it in the refrigerator. If you like it softer, you can leave it out on the countertop and have some like this. Mm-hmm. And as the saying goes, creativity is intelligence having fun. So when you're in the kitchen, just create. Especially with these guys, you can't go wrong. You can use your own flavors, spice it up, do sweet and savory, spicy, whatever you like, different nut butters. There are a lot of great options as far as protein, like chia, which I did blend some in, and almonds, cashews, peanuts. Flax seeds are also wonderful, and hemp seeds. Great, packed with nutrients and protein, and everything under the sun. So, and what else did I want to say? Well, yeah, it offers a lot of versatility. You can just create your own signature style blend, however you want it. You can add chocolate to it, chocolate chips, nuts, seeds. The list goes on and on. So in the past videos, you've seen me prepare it in my NutriBullet. Just place all the ingredients in together, and I have it right in this bowl. And you just set it in the refrigerator for some time. It doesn't have to be long, but I just did this for overnight because I knew I would do it today. So I have it out just loosening up a little bit. And right now I have a little bit of water. It's always good to have a little water on the side. It can it can get a little sticky. Jumping the gun over here. And I have some coconut flakes. So you just, and as far as the size, you can make them really tiny or big. Whatever floats your boat. And just roll it And you can use this with anything. Cinnamon sugar, I don't know, there's all different stuff. But I decided to go with the coconut flakes. That's what I have. A little water, not too much. And and you basically just roll it in your hands. Have a baking sheet or tray. But yeah, this is always such a nice treat. I enjoy taking um, when we go hiking and stuff, or like New Hampshire or to the mountains. I love to make these or like granola bars. Great snack for the trails or when you get back, whenever. Super easy to make. um, and just rinse and repeat. And yeah, just keep doing that until you're done. In 1 minute. Just wash your hands. And you can just place it right into the refrigerator. If you want to use like airtight container is good, or a tray like that, or glass, whatever is best, whatever you have on hand, and just keep it in the refrigerator. And when you're ready to enjoy, whether you need a little pick me up in the afternoon, or if you're going somewhere and you need a little snack, it's always good to have. So that's pretty much it. So right now I'm gonna read off the list that I use for this recipe. And you can always use whatever you like. You can switch the options out. So I use 1 cup of dates, pitted, a half cup peanut butter, a quarter cup of raw honey, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and you can use other spices, nutmeg, cloves, whatever floats your boat, a pinch of sea salt. I used a handful of slivered almonds and blended them in. And then the chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons is good. And a little bit of filtered water. I think I did about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. So it can get really thick, especially with the chia and the dates. So, and you can use a blender or a food processor and just place all the ingredients together and blend well until it's meshed really well. And this is about 14 grams of protein with the chia and the almonds that I put in there, about an ounce of almonds, and 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, which makes about 8 grams. Almonds, about 6 grams for 1 ounce. Then if you use cashews, 1 ounce is 5 grams of protein. And peanuts, the same 7 grams for an ounce. And then the hemp, if you decide to go that route, 3 tablespoons, 9 grams. And flax seeds are a great option. You can find them anywhere. 3 tablespoons of 7 grams. So I hope you enjoyed this little segment of Foodie Friday, Foodie Vats. with simple creations in the kitchen. Something for yourself or for your family to enjoy that's tasty, nutritious. So, if you have any questions, comments, or anything at all, please jot them down below. I would love to hear, and I would love to hear your recipes as well. If there's something that you had tried in the past, please share it in the comment section. Let's learn and grow together. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it brings some hope this brings some creativity and spark of imagination to your day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.